it's Sha-Deana Z. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you never miss a video. And with that being said, let's hop right into this video. So y'all, as you can see by the title, this is gonna be a super exciting video because your girl finally got a camera, okay? And I've been eyeballing this camera for just a little bit, not too long, because I was looking at another camera, but I came back to this camera because I seen it all over TikTok and everything, and I decided, I was going back and forth. I didn't know if I wanted a Canon or a Sony, but I ended up going with a Sony. So I will be unboxing my new SONY-ZV-1F vlogging camera, y'all. And on top of that, I also grabbed some accessories to go with it, and I'm still thinking about like going back and getting some more accessories. But yeah, y'all, if y'all see something on my lip, me and my daughter was playing and she busted me in my lip by accident, so don't mind that. And also, it's hot, so I can't find any edge control to lay this down, but don't worry about it because I'm gonna get my hair done in 3 days. So yeah, let's ignore that. But anyways, I got the packages right here, and I actually had to open it because I had to get something out, but I didn't do no peeking or nothing like that. So this is a first impression. Like, you seeing my camera for the first time, the accessories, everything. Yeah, y'all, I'm finna unbox it. I did a little bit of research to see what I would need, because as you know, it's pretty different going from recording on a phone to a camera. You need a SD card and all this other stuff, so I'll get into that. But yes, let's go ahead and check out this camera, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is the package. I actually got it from Amazon and it was on sale. I was gonna get it from Best Buy, but I ended up just getting it off of Amazon. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the camera first because I got other stuff in here. Oh my gosh, look, your girl got a Sony. And I'm gonna show y'all, hold on, let me put this on the floor. Y'all, I had to stand up for this because, but nah, like for real, y'all, I got a camera and I didn't get black. I'm dramatic, but anyways, let's open it and see. Okay, it got the instructions on the top. So let me see. Oh my God, it's so little, which is a good thing, y'all. I thought this was gonna be, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be bigger, but I'm so glad it's not, because that would have been pretty intimidating. Like, you know, imagine going from vlogging with your phone to, you know, holding a camera in public. So I know y'all can't see it, but this is me pulling it straight out of the box. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it is so freaking white and pretty. Y'all see me? But seriously, can y'all see that? Like, look how beautiful. It's so pretty. Like, I think it's the color for me, because you know, I just want it to be different. So everybody has black, which is nothing wrong with that because white can get dirty fast, but I got a case for it and I'll get some little wipes. This says lock and open. That's where the battery goes. Okay, so it go like this. You lock it and you gotta open it to put the battery in. All right, y'all, so this is the camera. I'm gonna set it right here. We finna see what it comes with. Oh, it comes with the mic or mic cover. Oh, okay, it go like this. So that little thing right there. So I just slide it in like this. Okay, so it covers your mic. This is so cute. Oh my God, I can't wait to use it. What does it come with? Okay, we got the cord, and oh, it comes with one battery. So basically you get the camera, a mic, your cord, and a battery, because there's nothing else in here. So I'm excited. I can't wait to use it. I think I heard that this won't turn on without an SD card. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox our accessories. All right, y'all, so I grabbed a 128 gigabyte SanDisk SD card, and I got all of this off of Amazon. Let me know if y'all need me to link it. I got the 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍. This is a phone tripod mount. So a good thing about this camera is that you can actually connect your phone to it. And some people probably think you need the bracket because there's a bracket that you can connect where your phone can sit on the side of your camera and you're holding it on the tripod. But I wanted my phone to sit on top of my camera. The only bad thing about that is that you got to remove your mic cover. So I might go back and get the bracket later on. Let me see. This is all it is. I'm finna connect everything and just show y'all how my camera is about to come together so I can just leave everything out. What else we got? Okay, so these are 3 extra batteries, because the only bad thing I heard about these Sony's or ZV-1F, I heard that they die fast, but I got 3 batteries and it came with a charging cord and this right here, so you can charge all my batteries. Hey baby. Huh? She probably still sleepy. Hey. Bye-bye. Alright y'all, that was my baby. They're in the living room. I'm finna go out there with them in a minute. But anyways, and I got me a new case too, because y'all see this one looking dingy. It's the clear one. You can't never keep these clear ones because they be getting dingy so fast. What else I got? Oh, so let me show y'all my Amazon package right here. These were already open because I had to get something out. I've been ordering a lot. This right here is my all-around camera card reader. Okay, so y'all see it? So I got that. I got, this is just a white case, like a white protective case to go over my camera. And lastly, it's a 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍. I'm sorry, I'm gonna take everything out and I'm gonna show it to y'all. All right, let me get everything situated and I'm gonna show y'all me putting my camera together. All right, y'all, so I'm about to put my SD card inside of my camera and see if I can get it to turn on. I think it goes, the SIM card, I think it goes in this little, y'all see that small area? So I guess, all right, so I guess I'm gonna put the battery in first, right here at the top. So it clicked. Okay, so I think according to this video, she had it like this. So I put it in and it clicks in. All right. So we close this and I'm about to lock it. Okay, now I don't even know how to turn this thing on. Like, I really, oh, it's right here. All right, y'all, so we got everything set up. I just want to see how to turn it on. Okay, so I don't know if I press and hold or if I just press one time. So I'm just going to try to press it one time. And it came on. So how do I select English? I guess I press this middle button. I understand. It says connect your smartphone via Bluetooth and set up the camera initial setting. So I'm gonna connect my phone. Okay, so it gave me a little QR code. So I'm gonna go to my phone's camera and tap it. So it's pulling up this website for me and I have to download this app. I had to take a quick break, y'all. I really took a nap and I just slipped on my lash so it looked crazy. All right, so we're gonna take this off. I have to turn it on. All right, so I'm finna screw this on. All right, y'all, so let me know if this backrest, I don't even know. Can y'all see it? It's a reflection on it, but it's already sturdy. I tested it out already. So this is my case. I just got a white case. Okay, so let's get back to putting on my accessories. So as you can see, I just attached my tripod to my camera and this is what it's looking like. Let me turn it on. And this is what it's looking like, y'all. And it's super cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. But I can already tell I need to work out my arm, y'all, because it's gonna be heavy. So I was mentioning earlier, I think I mentioned about the bracket. I guess I'll insert a picture and show y'all what I'm talking about. But this right here is a phone tripod that I can connect to the part and I can tighten it like this. So yep, y'all, I can put my phone up here. Hold on, let me show y'all how it's gonna look. I got a new case coming too because yeah, I need one, and a new screen protector. So now I can get footage for both y'all and I love this. So this is my new situation and I have yet to pull this out. I don't even know if it'll hold. And it does. Okay. All right, y'all. So basically, this is what it's looking like. So I got my phone connected to the top. So the next thing I'm gonna show y'all is I have an LED light that'll connect to this side or either side, but I'm gonna connect it here so it can balance out. And just when I'm out and I need lighting, if the lighting is not good, it's just super beneficial to have. So yes, y'all, this is basically what my camera is looking like, and I love it and I'm super happy. So yeah, just make sure y'all stay tuned because I have a lot to learn with this camera, and it's funny because I'm filming like through the camera. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can record a clip and see how the quality changes. Hold on. What's up, y'all? So this is my first time recording on my new SONY-ZV-1F camera, and this is the first clip. So I've been playing with the settings, watching videos, and the only issue that I'm having is like staying centered. Like, it looks like I'm centered, but I'm not sure if I'm really centered. But right now, just recording, this looks so nice. My issue when recording previously, I was using my iPhone and I switched to my tablet, but I used to have issues with quality, and now we won't have those issues. So that was the reason for investing into this camera, for my quality or for quality purposes. So yep, this is how the camera is looking, and I'm pretty sure it's picking up everything. Like I mentioned before, I just took a nap. I slept on my lash, so it's looking crazy. I'm finna go take all that off. But before I do that, I'm finna sit here and build my new vanity shelf. So y'all are gonna get to see that, and I'm recording off my camera as well because I need to save some storage and I got a lot to learn. So yes, y'all, stay tuned because we are about to build a new vanity shelf.